Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. Today we have invited Engineer Wang to show you guys how to replace the Teflon tape for the 4-side EPS packaging machine. As we can see that the surface of the welding knife on the 4-side EPS packaging machine has a layer of the high temperature resistance anti-stick Teflon tape to preventing the PE film melted on the welding knife. Since it's installed in the machine, it's not easy to show it clear to you guys. Therefore, we have taken our extra spare parts for a better demonstration. If the Teflon tape is damaged, cracked, or delaminated during the long-term use, it should be replaced in our time manner. The replacement of the Teflon tapes needs to be carried out on a flat work table. The operation steps are as follows. Step 1. We need to clean the surface and inside without any oil stain or dust. Step 2. Cut the tape into our actual required length. Then find one of the sides using our nylon board to scrape and stick tightly all corners and seams. There should be no wrinkles so that the tape will be stick well on the surface, not easy to fall off, and have a longer service life. And then stick it to the other side. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it.